gonna love our canyon. It's huge. I can't wait to show you some of my flying tricks.
Okay, and then Shiny and I can teach you the swoop and swirl. It's the best.
Oh, if you want to see the best, wait till you see what my dad can do.
I can't wait till our dad shows Quincy who's really the Wind King.
What a view! This is even more beautiful than I remembered.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Pteranodon, you're our guest today. You go first.
Why don't you go first, Mr. Q?
All righty. Ready, set, ride the wind!
Wow! That was incredible, Mr. Q. Stunning, amazing. Did I say stunning yet?
Thank you, partner. Now it's your turn.
Oh, yeah, my turn, but right. Okay, kids, I think I'll start with my dazzling Diverino.
Yay!
Here goes Pteranodon!
Wait, where'd he go?
Boo.
Dad, where'd you come from?
I told you my dad would win the contest.